Hey there, aviation enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a fascinating topic that's going to take us back in time and high up in the skies. We're talking about the iconic Japan Air Systems Boeing 777-289, registered as Juliet Alpha 8977. So buckle up and get ready to soar through the history of this remarkable aircraft. Before we dive into the specifics of this airliner, let's set the stage by talking about its operator, Japan Air Systems, which formed in 1988 from Toa Domestic Airlines, well after the merger between Toa Airways and Japan Domestic Airlines in 1971, eventually becoming a homegrown Japanese airline that focused on connecting domestic destinations. It aimed to provide a seamless travel experience for passengers within Japan's diverse landscapes. Now let's talk about the aircraft that stole the show, the Boeing 777, a true marvel in aviation history. The Boeing 777, introduced in the mid-1990s, was a game changer with its incredible range and fuel efficiency. It became a favorite among airlines worldwide thanks to its advanced technology and passenger comfort. This particular Boeing 777-289 variant took its maiden flight on October 23rd of 1996, showcasing Boeing's commitment to innovation and excellence. Delivery to Japan Air Systems took place later that year. With a wingspan of nearly 200 feet, it is a sight to behold on any runway. What made this airliner stand out from the crowd? Let's take a look at its striking features. The first thing most people will notice is the unique livery on the aircraft. This livery design was part of a design contest held by Japan Air Systems and won by a young man going to a secondary school near Chitose Airport. Equipped with two Pratt & Whitney 4000 series turbofans, each producing 77,200 pounds force or 343 kilonewtons of power, making for efficient, smooth, and reliable flights. With a seating capacity of over 440 passengers in a one-class configuration, it was a workhorse for domestic routes, but its range of over 5,200 nautical miles or 9,700 kilometers allowed it to fly to far-off nations if needed. This airplane's journey took it to the skies above Japan, connecting cities, shaping the nation's air travel landscape. This airplane was primarily used for domestic routes, making it a key player in linking major Japanese cities like Tokyo, Osaka, and Sapporo. With its quick speeds of 511 knots or 945 kilometers an hour, this not only facilitated travel but also contributed to economic growth and cultural exchange. But as they say, change is the only constant. This plane's story took a turn in the early 2000s. In 2002, Japan Air Systems merged with Japan Airlines, making a significant shift in the aviation industry. This merger paved the way for fleet restructuring and brand consolidation. As time marched on, this airplane faced a new chapter. With evolving industry standards and a need for modernization, JAL made the difficult decision to retire certain aircraft types, including this aircraft. After 24 years of service in Japan, the aircraft was purchased for service with the newest iteration of Eastern Airlines. It flew with them for 2 years and is now acting as a spares and repair parts hall at the Kansas City International Airport. Its last flights marked the end of an era, but its legacy lives on. The legacy of this aircraft isn't just about metal and engines, it's about connections and memories. This airplane's contribution to Japan's aviation history remains a testament to the growth of domestic air travel. It symbolizes the dedication of Japan Air Systems and the following JAL and the industry's progress over the years. As we wrap up this journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey of this aircraft. From its inaugural flight to its retirement, this plane's story is woven into the fabric of Japan's aviation tapestry. It reminds us that every aircraft has a story, and every flight contributes to the larger narrative of human exploration and connectivity. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the skies and history of this Japan Air Systems Boeing 777-289. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting aviation content. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies. The video on the screen now is a 1/400 scale model produced by a company called Dragon Wings in 2001 and 2002. This particular model, as seen here, is one of 5 produced over the years by various companies in scales from 1/200 down to 1/500 scale. For any enterprise that is interested, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all reputable North American companies. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you watch my videos from start to finish helps me get a larger distribution, which will bring in more subscribers. That will then repeat this process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.